Just overthink it. Just keep this in your mind. Like if you're trying to land clients, build relationships, network, talk to people, understand your service offering, understand the industry that you're trying to serve, understand their pain points, understand why they do what they do, right? Study sales. And whenever you study sales, you're going to learn that it's about building a rapport and a relationship to get them to trust you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm currently in Indiana right now. Got the camera guy, Mr. Christian, back here recording some stuff.
I want to be on it.
Yeah, you're on it. He's part of the team, but he's gonna be on it. But anyway, so I'm gonna talk to you today about some strategies to landing clients, and also I'm gonna be talking to you about something that I read in a book yesterday that is super impactful to help you in your journey in your agency, and it's partially some of the reason why people get stagnant and don't end up growing their revenue. All right, so let's go in. I'm gonna go jump on my computer right now. Let's take a look at this Airbnb though. It's kind of dope. It's a little small guy, but it's pretty sick. Like, check out this office. It's pretty nice. Yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed, please go and hit that. If you're there, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's jump into this video. All right, what's going on, guys? So basically what I read in a book yesterday on the plane is actually this book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. It's talking about the difference between production and production capacity. So let me break this down to you a little bit more. And so this is like why people get stagnant in their business and don't hit growth points. And it's because what happens is that people will obsess over the production and they will neglect the production capacity. And so the production is like the money you make, right? It's like, what is the output of the production capacity? So the production capacity is the workload, so that's doing the work, say, for your clients, which then produces the money. And so people will just focus on the money and neglect and do things to the production capacity side that damage it, which they do that to like either get more of the production, more of the money quicker, or things of that nature. And so they would either do, there's lots of different examples of how like your production capacity, you can neglect it and do it wrong to try to get more of more cash flow and things of that nature. But really what it does is that, yeah, you might get more money in the long term by, say, cutting corners on projects to increase profit margins, or not paying your people as well, or screwing somebody over. But really in the long run, it talks about how that is going to ultimately affect your production, and it's going to completely derail your business as a whole. And so that's really why people don't see the growth. And so what it says is that really what you need to be focusing on is your production capacity over yes, focus on money, but focus on the production capacity and making this the best it can be. So your service and your offering, your main focus should be, how can I make my service and my overall customer experience that produces the revenue the best that it can possibly be, and continue to optimize that and make it way better, because that's going to lead to more revenue and more growth in the long run. So like for instance, like if you have a broken system where like you can't consistently get results for a certain type of client, and you're focused on trying to get way more clients in to try to get more revenue, that's the wrong thing to be doing. What you really need to be doing is focusing on, okay, we're not getting results, really good results for our clients, and they're not as happy. So that's what you really need to be focusing on, versus we just need to get more clients. Because the whole goal is I would much rather keep a client for a long term than short term. So I'd rather make less money but have them for a long period of time and make more money down the road than just charge them a lot, not do a good service, and lose them. Does that make sense? That's kind of like a little rant, but if you guys haven't read this book, I would really read this book. But anyways, I'm going to jump into my computer right now, and I'm going to show you a cool way to land clients and to show you like what we're doing. And there's like a cool site that you guys can use to go to like find some networking events. So I'm going to show you it right now. Let's jump in. All right, what's going on, guys? So let's check this out. So the first thing I want to note is, like, honestly, you just need to reach out and connect with business owners. Like, we just talk to these people all the time. Like, here I'm on my Facebook page, and I'm just having genuine conversations with these people, right? So we reach out and say, hey, I just wanted to say you guys have a great page, just giving them compliments, right? Says, thanks for mentioning, like, that's just the automated. Like, thanks, Elliot, really appreciate it. I said, no problem. I drink your coffee almost every morning. I know you guys kill it locally. How is your online sales, right? I don't drink their coffee every day. Just going to let you know, just trying to find a connection point. And I said, glad to hear it. Online sales are good, but the bulk of our business is wholesaling. Obviously, our subscription is also pretty successful. I said, awesome. Have you guys tried using paid ads and storytelling from their brand level to grow your subscription? She said, yep, we've done some targeted Facebook ads. I said, great, I hope this is doing well for you. You may find this helpful. So I sent them a cool, valuable video, which would like kind of indoctrinate them into the brand. They said, cool, thanks. And then we happened to have some their brand coffee here at this Airbnb. So I threw that in there. And they said throwback, which my team's right now like talking with them. So they're going to respond. Probably let them watch the video. Just keep messaging them for a couple days. Keep sending them some value, some like different insightful things, some content that we've made. Give them free value. Talk to them about their site, some like pixels, things of that nature, and then ask them to be like, hey, you're interested for a free 30-minute long consulting call for free, and then on that is where we still give them some more value, and then we close them, right? So that's one way. Like, most people just aren't willing to just reach out to businesses. Like, find your niche and who you can serve really well, understand their pain points, and then just start talking with them. But build relationships. Like, that's the name of the game. Just like build relationship with people. Don't just message them out of the blue and say, hey, do you want to, can I run your Facebook ads? Like, no, just offer them value and, build that relationship and then ask for the sale, right? Like, you wouldn't ask a girl to like get in your bed first time you ever meet her, right? No, you got to take her on a couple of dates first, right? But anyways, let's check out this site right here. So I'm about to post a meetup right now because we're about to do a mastermind, but I'll do that later. So if you go to meetup.com, this is a place where you can find events in your local area, okay? So I'm in Indiana right now, but let's just use Chicago. And let's type in business, career and business. Let's see what kind of networking events are here. So like, look right here, coding and algorithm interview practice, right? There's an event. Chicago pitch bootcamp, learn to pitch your ideas like a pro, right? There's lots of different networking events here, but the thing is like, this is a great way to get yourself out there. So get some business cards, start going out here and networking with different people, right? Start building relationships, getting your name out there so people know exactly what you do. You run paid ads for businesses or whatever your service offering is. Maybe you do video editing, whatever you do. And just go through here and let's find some different events and then go to them. Let me find one. Mastermind. Let's type in marketing. Let's see. Top strategies. Right. Yeah, this is a digital marketing one. And you could even host your own events and post them on here. Right? So then sometimes you got to purchase tickets, which that's okay. That one's not available. But you see what I mean? Like, legit. This is how easy it is, guys. I mean, it's not easy. Like, none of this is easy, but like, really, you just find some networking events through this thing, go to them, pass out business cards. No, honestly, a good one would be like small businesses. Hold on. Let's do 100 miles. Chicago's not a poppin' spot right now. Let's do Indianapolis. Like business builders. Yeah, that's a good one. Business marketing in Indy. Small business meetup. Bam! Small business owners are gonna be there. Right? You just go. go to these events, sign up for them, and go. All right. Right. What's up, guys? So that was just like a really quick strategy that I wanted to share with you. And honestly, people just overthink it. Just keep this in your mind. Like if you're trying to land clients, build relationships, network, talk to people, understand your service offering, understand the industry that you're trying to serve, understand their pain points, understand why they do what they do, right? Study sales. And whenever you study sales, you're going to learn that it's about building a rapport and relationships to get them to trust you. Just like a marketing funnel, right? Like you always want to, you don't just sell people right away. Like if you really want a successful campaign, you want to build trust by, introducing them and letting them know who you are, engaging with them, maybe sending them to a webinar, giving them some free value in exchange for the email address or something like that. And then at the end, you ask them for the sale, right? Same thing with relationships. Like you have to build trust before people are going to give you their money no matter what. So just put yourself out there, start talking to people, add people value, because adding value is for free at first is the quickest way to begin to build trust. And also, as you're building your agency, don't focus as much on the money at the start. Focus on your production capacity. Focus on making that a well-oiled machine to then where you can actually scale. If you don't, then you're going to get stagnant, and that's why people will hit those little numbers and they're not able to get past them. They can't break through that wall, right? If you do those things, I think you'll be successful. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, this is everything about marketing and starting an agency and a business. If you want to work with me and an exclusive community, you can qualify to be in the Land Clients SMA program. That link is in the description, as long as with a lot of other free links on how to build your, how to craft your niche, all this different stuff in the description below. So go and check that out. But make sure, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment other ones you want to see, hit subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.